Today I am reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 2025 40mm Bluetooth smartwatch. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a smartwatch that blends advanced health tracking, smart features, and a sleek, everyday design, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 40mm smartwatch is shaping up to be one of the most well-rounded wearables you can get in 2025. Right away, one of the first things you'll notice is the design. Samsung has gone with a refined cushion-style look that feels modern yet minimal. It's thinner and lighter than previous generations, which makes a big difference when you're wearing it all day. Whether you're working, exercising, or even sleeping, the watch sits comfortably on your wrist without feeling bulky or distracting. It's clearly designed for all-day wear, and it delivers on that promise. The display and interface have also been improved, making everything feel more fluid and intuitive. Notifications, widgets, and apps are easier to access, and the overall experience feels smoother and more responsive. Whether you're checking messages, viewing weather updates, or glancing at your fitness stats, everything is clear and easy to navigate. Now let's talk about one of the biggest strengths of this watch: health and fitness tracking. The Galaxy Watch 8 goes beyond basic step counting and heart rate monitoring. It offers advanced tracking features that give you a deeper understanding of your overall health. Sleep tracking is one of the standout features here. With advanced sleep coaching, the watch doesn't just track how long you sleep. It analyzes the quality of your sleep and provides guidance to help you improve it. The bedtime guidance feature is especially useful, helping you find the optimal time to go to bed based on your habits. Over time, this can make a real difference in how rested and energized you feel each day. Fitness tracking is equally impressive. The built-in running coach is a great addition for anyone looking to improve their performance. It analyzes your runs in real time and provides feedback to help you train smarter. Whether you're preparing for a 5K or a marathon, the watch offers structured programs to guide your progress. It's like having a personal trainer right on your wrist. Another feature that stands out is the energy score. This uses Galaxy AI to combine data from your sleep, activity, and heart rate to give you a simple daily score that reflects your overall condition. It's a quick and easy way to understand how ready your body is for the day ahead, whether you should push harder or take it easy. The watch also introduces vascular load tracking, which gives you insights into how your lifestyle, like stress, diet, and sleep, affect your body. This is a more advanced metric that goes beyond typical fitness tracking, offering a deeper look at your health trends over time. Of course, heart rate tracking and activity monitoring are still core features, and they work reliably. Whether you're walking, running, or working out, the watch keeps accurate track of your activity levels and helps you stay on top of your fitness goals. Battery life is another important aspect, and despite its slim design, the Galaxy Watch 8 manages to last through a full day of use. You can track your workouts, monitor your health, and receive notifications without constantly worrying about charging. It's designed to keep up with your daily routine. One of the most convenient additions is the built-in personal AI assistant. It helps you manage tasks, set reminders, and stay organized without needing to pull out your phone. It's a small but meaningful feature that adds to the overall smart experience. In everyday use, the Galaxy Watch 8 feels like a natural extension of your smartphone. It keeps you connected, helps you stay active, and provides valuable insights into your health, all from your wrist. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 is a well-balanced smartwatch that excels in comfort, functionality, and health tracking. It's ideal for anyone who wants more than just a basic fitness tracker. This is a device that helps you understand your body, improve your habits, and stay connected throughout the day. If you're looking for a stylish, lightweight, and feature-packed smartwatch with powerful health insights and smart capabilities, this is easily one of the best options to consider right now.